What is up, you guys? We're back out again with another video. Thursday morning session. I'm gonna tell you guys how it went, and it's as simple as that. So this is what the daily looked like. We did open after news. I think Micron got their earnings, and it created this huge opening gap, right? So was bullish after we manipulated to the downside the previous day. Now this is what the 4-hour looked like at that point. 4-hour was still choppy, but we did have a manipulation leg. So I wanted higher. We had this unfilled 4-hour marked out. We had this was my previous day low that I had marked out. Asia lows just in case. We also had these data highs that I had marked out as a potential draw, which could be very clean. This is what the 15-minute looked like, and here we go. We open up. This is what we give. We straight up dump from the face of the earth, give a little bit of a retrace, but nothing to consider it, because at the end of the day, at that point I still wanted longs. Now this is when we take Asia lows, all right? And look, guys, most importantly, we did not give any reaction off of those Asia lows, all right? So at that point, what I should have done is I should have switched my bias and been absolutely bearish, all right? But that was my mistake. Now I had previous day lows marked out here, and what I should have done at that point is, once we retrace within this 2-minute, give a beautiful retracement within this 2-minute, I should have entered off of this 2-minute with a position coming off of this beautiful displacement and this right here, and I would have genuinely should have just targeted a 1-to-1. My mistake. I'm not used to trading. I don't know. In my head, I'm still a little bit, I don't know, I'm just always like, 1-to-1s, but this is something that I'm going to implement, because I am going to be able to catch more winners. And when you know draw is lower, after it did not even give any reaction after taking Asia lows, I should have. Now we know draw at that point is previous day low, and ES has still not taking our previous day low, all right, guys, at that point, because look, we are getting closer. ES is at that point we knew ES is going to take it before NQ. But still, okay, guys, so this is what I should have taken, and look at how this plays out. All right, guys, to the T it goes, and we start giving a reaction when ES took our previous day low, and look at what happens, guys. We start giving a reaction, and then at this point I hopped off, because we started reacting after taking previous day low on ES, and this is when we ended up going higher. So any sort of short lower is way less probable, because draw has been taken on ES and we have an SMC, so we never know if it could just give a little bit of a retracement and go higher off of that. And longs are just no way we're going to long after the way that we dumped on the daily. So unfortunate, guys. Need to get better at this. No way. So still a W, because we're not catching losses, but much more to improve on. All right, I am going to get better. All right, we're going to get better together, and this is just another little obstacle in a journey that is going to be filled with success, and you guys are all a part of it. All right, appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.